So, you going home? Wherever home is?
It's not possible.
You're stuck here? I feel terrible.
Don't. Josie, you did it. You saved us all. I couldn't be happier or prouder. The fate that I was dealt as a result is a small price to pay.
What? Is there anything I can do for you?
There is one thing. Could you give me a lift to the bus station?
Sure. So, there's a rumor going around that they might be opening a new Blake Holsey High.
Really? I bet they'll need a janitor.
Josie? Mom.